Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. In today's session, we wish to input and output name of a person, means your name. Here we can understand that name of any person contains multiple characters. So, for one character, we can write like this, character NM. But now, if we wish multiple characters, then here we can write numbers of character variables into the continuous manner. So, to input a name, or we can say string from the user, we need character array. Let us take input with printf /n, enter your name. To take input multiple characters or string, here access specifier is %s and address of NM. To print the same, we have to write printf your good name is %s and NM. Let us check with Ctrl F9. Hello. So here your good name is hello is printed. So this is about a string input and printing, or we can say single dimensional array of character type. Thank you.